everybody, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak, and I am here to do an unboxing with you. So this, as you can see, came from Scentsy. So this is an authentic Scentsy product. I'm very excited about this. Actually, this is my first ever Scentsy purchase. I know, hard to believe, right? But a good friend of mine, Jeff Barr, he is in West Virginia. He is a Scentsy Consultant. So be sure to check him out. I'm hoping his information is in here because I just went through his website and I ordered this. This was something that he started promoting. Let me see what this says. Jeff, I hope your name and your information is in here somewhere. But it's Jeff Barr, B-A-R-R, in, is it West Virginia? Jeff, is it West Virginia or Virginia? Oh my goodness, I don't remember. But I didn't even care. Well, not that I didn't care, but I was so excited when I saw this that I wanted to have it anyhow. But I saw, after I already made my mind up that I was going to order this, I saw that I guess his manager above him was doing some sort of promotion for him to sell a certain amount of these. And, I mean, I didn't care. When I saw it, I loved it. So look, there's a little, oh, you can't see it. It's off to the side. Okay, good. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to throw this paper on the floor. Only because I can. And because my cats love it. Ooh. My cats are going to love the box, too. Because if they fit, they sit. You know how that goes? Anybody that has cats, they know exactly what I mean. So I'm going to leave one paper just thrown on the floor, and the other one's going to be a box with the paper. So here it is. Whoop, there you are. Look, Frosty Glow. And I got this Be Merry. This is an authentic Scentsy scent, and this is a Scentsy Bar. Let me take a sniff, because I didn't even know what it smelled like. Oh, this is a scent of the month. Okay, great. They must have scents of the month. Wait. Ooh, that smells nice. So here it is here. It's called Be Merry. I'm sorry. And this is the scent of the month, and it's red. And I'm very excited because this smells so good. Now, Jeff said he was going to send me some samples of some other scents, so we hope he does, so I can sniff them out, and I'll do an unboxing and a review on them. So here we are. Oh, I'm very excited. Well, let's see what this says. Legacy is about living a life that shows others their true potential. To Heidi. The Scentsy mission: to bring value to the world by providing an industry-leading, family-friendly business opportunity, selling creative, artistic, high-quality products that warm the heart and enliven the senses and inspire the soul. Sorry, it was a little hard for me, my old eyeballs here. So let's see, this comes in it here. Important safety instructions, how to use it, to change the fragrance, and I'm sure this is other, yep, all sorts of other languages. So, always unplug the unit when not in use. That's interesting. I never read that before because I have a knockoff one downstairs, you know, just a cheesy one, and I always leave it plugged in. Set the warmer base on a stable flat surface. Screw the light bulb provided in the warmer onto the lamp holder. After reading important safety instructions on the back of this card, plug in the warmer, turn it on, place one or more sections of your Scentsy bar into the dish. Enjoy the Scentsy feeling. And it tells you to change it, to melt it, pour it back into the original packaging to reform the wax. While it's still warm, clean the dish with paper towel. Let wax solidify, then store used bar in a cool place for later use or discard. So let's take a look. Let me move that aside. Let's see what this says. Yeah, like I said, this is my first ever, so kind of new to this. But okay, so box. Recycle. Oh, so okay, this must be the little oh, that's heavy. The little piece that you put your little wax melts in. Hot for food, not for food use. Ooh. I think I better go get my eyeballs checked. Okay, oh, and it's packaged really nice, and here it comes. Oh my goodness, it's a lot larger than I had imagined it to be. They have this. Let me put it back in here. And I'm probably going to save the box, so when I put it away, I can store it in the box, which is, oh, sorry, kitties. They have this, oh, in here, oh, it's probably the bulb. Yes, a little bulb. They have this, and they have the little plug-in thing. You know, that little warmer thing that you put in a little outlet. But of course, if you all know me, it's go big or go home. And let me just get my paper snips here. Okay. Who is messaging me? We have important stuff going on here. Okay. So here, look at, what was this called? Frosty? Is it Frosty? Somebody help me. I threw the box over there. Look at how cute he is. Oh my goodness, I love it. Do we even have somewhere to put the outlet? I kind of have a mishmash of extension cords and whatnot. So let's see. We put our little bulb in. Da, 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 da. Ta-da! Put our little thing on top, like that. Well, you can't see. Oh, it's just been one of those days. I know, and it's been so long since I've been here. Okay. Oh, it's soft. Oh, it smells good. It's not really time for Be Merry, but I guess we can be married anytime. So you put that in there. Here's your electrical outlet. But I just love him. Look at how cute he is. Oh, anybody that doesn't know, I mean, I absolutely love, 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 did I say love, snowmen. So I love this because this is going to be kept out all winter long. It's not just saying Christmas. I suppose if I want to spruce it up, I could tie a little piece of fabric like underneath him, make him look like a scarf. Or you can put one of those little candle rings down around the bottom, like, you know, to kind of, you know, zhuzh him up a little bit, or something from Dollar Tree or whatever. But I'm going to plug him in, and I am going to enjoy this like you will not believe. Because, number one, the Be Merry scent smells oh so Christmassy, piney. Sorry, I have a little bit of a thing going on here with my sinuses. And let me sniff it again. Yeah, definitely has piney, and it's Christmassy smelling. So this is the scent of the month, Be Merry, and the little snowman guy. So if you're interested in placing an order, I know Jeff would love it. So again, Jeff Barr, and I believe he's in West Virginia or Virginia. But if you need to know information, you can't find him, just go to Scentsy.com and search for a consultant. And you just type up his name, like he'll come up, because that's how I found him. Even though I know him. Well, I never really met him. I met him through YouTube, and then he's crafty, and, well, you know how that all goes. So give him a shout out, tell him how much you definitely want to get this, or go to his online store and check out all the other fun Scentsy warmers and fun things they have. I just did not realize how much stuff they have. So anyway, Jeff, thank you so much. I love him, and I mean, he's super big. Look at how big he is. I just can't wait to take him. I won't do them upstairs here and plug them in, because I want to put them downstairs on my mantle or somewhere safe so the cats don't, you know, get into them. But I love him. He's super cute. So thanks everyone for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of my first Scentsy candle set of Warmer and Be Merry. I believe they call it a bar. Yeah, Scentsy Bar. All right, everyone. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.